Hello, I'm Capital Weather Meteorologist Matthew Pucci in Ocean City, Maryland, where we're seeing wind gusts over 50 miles per hour associated with Tropical Storm Isaias as it moves up the coast. Already, we've seen a number of supercell thunderstorms, rotating thunderstorms associated with Isaias, thanks to the wind shear, change of wind speed, direction with height. I intercepted several earlier on just west of Ocean City, and take a look at this rotating wall cloud. Tornadoes, a big threat this morning into early afternoon across much of the Mid-Atlantic, up to New York City, southwestern Connecticut, where tornado watches are in effect. In addition, winds building behind the first wave of storms. We're getting wind gusts over 50 miles an hour here in Ocean City. You can see there's a good gust right there, close to about 55 miles an hour, if not a little bit more. And on the backside of the system, we're likely to see even more wind, thanks to dry air eroding and helping mix down some of those jet stream winds to the surface. In addition, the onshore flow on the eastern side will help cause a storm surge of 1 to 3 feet in most locales. Coastal flood warnings in effect for much of Long Island, Big Apple, New York City. Things will finally taper down later on this afternoon for much of the Mid-Atlantic, but New England still in play as well. In addition, we're talking very heavy rainfall, 4 to 6 inches in many areas. You can see the rain swooshing past me right now. It is a pretty intense storm, and one that will have a big impact both with power outages and disrupting travel up and down the East Coast.